Welcome to Lemon Coders. So today I will be covering top. This is a video, first video of the series of 100 SQL queries for interview. This is helpful for interviews as well as university exams and GATE. So this is the first query. In this video, you will be getting top 10 first 10 queries of this series. So I will make 10 videos like this. In each video there will be 10 queries. So total there will be 100 queries for SQL. So let's start. First one is write a query to fetch all the records from the employee info table ordered by employee name in descending order and department in ascending order. So the answer is select star from employee info ordered by employee name, the DAC, that is for descending order, comma department ASC. So the here note is to order the records in ascending and descending order. You have to use order by statement in SQL. I hope that is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment, write a comment, and I will try to resolve your query. Next query is write a query to fetch details of employees whose employee name ends with an alphabet A and contains 5 alphabets. Answer is select star from employee info where employee name like underscore 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 4 underscore and then A, whole thing is enclosed in inverted comma. That is the query. I hope it is clear. Next query is write a query to find the details of all employees excluding the employees with first names Sachin and Sakshi from employee info table. Answer is select star from employee info where employee name noting Sachin, Sakshi. It is pretty straightforward. Next query is write a query to fetch the department-wise count of employees sorted by departments count in ascending order. Answer is select department, count employee ID as employee department count from employee info group by department order by employee department count AAC. Here we are using employee ID as primary key and we are using alias of employee department count to create a new table of department count of employee ID. Then we are selecting grouping by department and then ordering by employee department count. Next query is write a query to calculate the even and odd records from a table. That is, if there are 10 records, we need 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in odd and 2, 4, 6, 8 in even. So the answer is first one is for even query, even records. That is select employee ID from select row number employee ID from employee info where mod of row number 2 is equal to 0, and for odd simply it will be mod of row number 2 is equal to 1. Next query is write a query to retrieve two minimum salaries from employee table. That is select a distinct salary from employee E1 where 2 is greater than equal to select count of the distinct salary from employee E2 where E1 dot salary is greater than equal to E2 dot salary order by E1 dot salary DES. Next query is write a query to find the third highest salary from the employee table. Answer is select top 1 salary from select top 3 salary from employees order by salary DSC as the employee order by salary AS. Next query is write a query to add email validation to your database. It is very important in case of interview perspective. They may ask you the regex expression for email validation. So the select email from employees were not regex like email, that is name of the attribute, comma the regex expression for email, comma I. So you need to understand this one, this regex expression to understand this query. Write a query to find the nth highest salary from the table. Answer is select salary from employee Z1 where n minus 1 is equal to select count of distinct E2 dot salary from employee Z2 where E2 dot salary is greater than E1 dot salary. Last query for this video is write a query to get current date. It is select get date or select sys date. Both will be output will be same. So these are the 10 queries for this video. This is a part 1 of this video. There will be 10 videos and we will be covering hundreds of SQL queries that are frequently asked in interview, university exams and GATE exams. If you like this video, put a like and subscribe this channel to get more videos for placement preparations, university exams and GATE exams. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends who are having problems with SQL queries. Thank you for watching. And do join our Telegram channel to get updates of new videos.